Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. This time we are going to study dates and days of the week. Korean has two different kind of number. In date, you are going to use one of them. So I want to introduce you. I'm going to count 1 to 10. You can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll count again. Please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So you can use this number 1 to 99. 99 is a 99. So you can count 1 to 99, 99. So this number is used for date. When you say date, you can use this number. And about days of the week, please repeat after me. 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일. Good job. Please repeat after me one more time. 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일. Good job. So I explained to you Korean number 1, 2, 3, 4 is used for date. So can you see here? In Korean, when expressing a date, it is done in the opposite order compared to English. In English, when we say the date, we say date and month and year. But in Korean, the order is opposite. Year, month, date. Like this. It is said in the order of 년, 월, 일. So year, month, day, 년, 월, 일. This one is used with 1, 2, 3, 4. Example, you can say 오늘이 며칠이에요? What day is it today? 며칠 is a what day. So the answer is 오늘은 2030년 8월 19일이에요. So you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number is used with date. So about date, it's not so difficult, but there is a one point, grammar point. Can you see here? When you pronounce 6월 and 10월 in Korean, it is pronounced as 6월 and 10월 respectively. Basically, 6 is a 6, right? So we have to say 6월 and then 10 and then 10월. But because of the pronunciation, it changed 6월 and 10월. Very smooth, easy to pronounce. So when you say June and October, 6월 and 10월, you have to pronounce like that. Example, 오늘은 10월 10일이에요. You see, only October, 10월, and then the date is 10일, so different. Same as 6th of June, 6월 6일이에요, you can say. When you're asking about the date, you can say 며칠, 오늘이 며칠이에요. But about the days of the week, you can say 무슨 요일. 무슨 요일 means what days of the week. So you can say 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요? You can ask. And the answer is example 오늘은 월요일이에요. You can say. So please remember about the date, you can say 오늘이 며칠이에요. About days of the week, you can say 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요. You can use it. I have explained to you about the 1, 2, 3, 4 is used for date, right? And also 1, 2, 3, 4 used for money. Money, example, can you see here? 5만 원, 50,000 won. 만 원, 10,000. 5천 원, 5,000. 천 원, 1,000. 500원, 500. 100원, 100. 50원, 50. 10won is 10. Won is the won, the Korean currency indicator. And can you see? 100 is 100, 1000 is 1000, 만 is 10,000. So when you're counting money, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Example, this is my sunblock. This is 18,500 won. How can you say? 18,500 won, 18,500원. 18,500원. There is a one grammar point. When you say one, like 1 or 10, 10 or 100, 100 or 1,000, 1,000 or 10,000, 만, you don't have to say 1. 100, 1,000, 1만. You don't pronounce 1. Just say 1,000, 만, like that. Example, it cost 1,000 won, you can say 1,000원이에요. If it cost 10,000 won, you can say 10,000원이에요. And if it cost 18,500 won, you can say 18,500원이에요. You can say. Now we have studied about the number. 1, 2, 3, 4 is used for date and then cost. And also days of the week. 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, right? And this time we are going to study new grammar. noun-에. Last time I taught you the noun-에 is indicating the place, right? noun-에 가다. So this noun-에 가다 오다 is place. And also there is somewhere. noun-에 있다 없다. So there is also noun-에 indicate place. But this time noun-에 has another function is about the time. So noun-에 indicating the time as well. So the time like 아침, morning, 점심, afternoon, 저녁, evening, or Christmas, 크리스마스, or 생일, birthday, or date, 10월 10일, or 6월 6일, or 8월 19일. It's about all time. So every time when you say time, like Christmas, 생일, you have to add time indicator noun-에. So let's check what is the noun-에 time indicator. Can you see here? noun-에, the second function of the particle noun-에 is to indicate time. When you speak, it's okay to say noun-에 plus noun-에, but it's better to use noun-에 once. Example, can you see here? 저는 다음 달에 생일에 케이크를 먹어요. So I eat cake on my birthday next month. 다음 달 is next month, the time, is it? And then 생일 is also time. So 다음 달에 생일에, you can just make it one. 다음 달 생일에. It sounds better. So you better say 저는 다음 달 생일에 케이크를 먹어요. I eat cake on my birthday next month, like this. So I taught you noun-에. Every time when you say the time, you have to add noun-에 together. But there is one exception. This is grammar rule. Can you see here? The particle noun-에 is used with nouns that indicate time, but there are exceptions. It's not used with 지금, 오늘, 내일, 어제. So 지금, now, and then 오늘, today, and then 내일, tomorrow, and yesterday, 어제. It's not used together noun-에. This is the grammar rule. Example, can you see here? 저는 내일에 친구를 만나요. So 내일, tomorrow, is not used noun-에. So sounds weird. You're supposed to say 저는 내일 친구를 만나요. This is a correct sentence. Okay, let's practice together. First sentence. 지민 씨, 추석에 뭐 해요? 지민, what do you do on 추석? Korean Thanksgiving. What are you going to do? 추석에 뭐 해요? 추석 is the time, so you can add 추석에. And then 추석에 뭐 해요? And second sentence. 수연 씨, 이번 주말에 뭐 해요? 이번 주말 is a this weekend and time, so you can add 이번 주말에 뭐 해요? Hey 수현, what are you going to do on this weekend? Like this. And next sentence. 저는 수요일에 일 안 해요. So 수요일 is time as well, right? So 수요일에 you can add noun-에, the time marker. So 저는 on Wednesday, 수요일에 일 안 해요. You can say 일을 안 해요. In spoken language, 을을 can be omitted, so you can say 일 안 해요 or 일을 안 해요. Both are fine. But you're a beginner, so I want you to try to use all particle when you speak out. So this time lesson, please remember the time indicator is a noun 에. You have to add noun 에 when you say the time, like 월요일에, 화요일에, 수요일에, or 8월 19일에, 생일에, or 크리스마스에, something like that. And please remember grammar point, 어제, yesterday, 오늘, today, 내일, tomorrow, and 지금, now is not used with noun 에 particle. Just watching YouTube and listening is very easy, but you have to do yourself review. We are going to see in the next lesson. Have a nice day. 안녕히 계세요.